Hi, I'm doing a quick recording here of question number 5 on page 72 in the workbook. So number 5, page 72. And I have struggled with question number 4 and I still haven't got it, and so that's why I've gone on to question number 5. So I'm going to do question 5 and then I'll do question 6. So we're going to define GW as good weather and BW as bad weather and J as jogging 5 kilometers. So Ellen likes to jog with her dog. If the weather's nice, she's likely to jog for 5 kilometers. So the probability that if our weather is good, she will jog 5 kilometers is 95%. Now, on the other hand, the probability that if the weather's bad, that she does this jogging is only 50%. Then we're told that tomorrow we're likely to get rain. So the probability of bad weather tomorrow is 35% or 3.55. So we know then that the probability of good weather is equal to 0.65, and that's just 1 minus 0.35. So we want to determine what is the probability that she's going to jog tomorrow. So we need to find out if the weather's good and she jogs, what's that probability? And we have to determine what's the probability if the weather's bad and she jogs. And then the probability that she jogs is going to be the addition of those two. So the probability that she jogs is going to equal to the probability of having good weather intersecting with her jogging, plus the probability of there being bad weather and that intersecting with her jogging. So we need to calculate those intersection points. And remember that to get our intersection points, to get the probability of the good weather intersecting with jogging, we need to take the probability of there being good weather and multiply it by the probability that if there's good weather, she'll jog. So here we have 0. And that should be a times, not a plus. 0.65 times 0.95. And this gives us a probability of 0.6175. So the probability if there's good weather tomorrow and that she'll jog, so this intersection of both of those things happening, is about 62%. So now let's calculate the probability that if there's bad weather, that with bad weather she will still jog, that both of those things will happen. So we know the probability of our bad weather is multiply that by the probability that she'll jog if there's bad weather. And so we take 0.35, that's the probability of rain or bad weather, times the probability that she'll jog with her if there's bad weather, and that's 0.175. So now we can calculate the probability that she's going to jog by adding those two together. 0.6175 plus 0.175, and we add that together, and that gives us 0.7 925. So 79.3% probability that she's going to jog tomorrow. So that's question number 5 on page 72, and then I'll do question number 6 in just a minute.